Hello, welcome to Ukulele Mama. My name is Maureen, and today we're going to look at the Leonard Cohen song, Hallelujah. So this song, very beautiful song, it has 4 chords, E minor, G, C, and D. Let's get to it right now. So this is how we build the E minor chord. Take your pointer finger, place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, middle finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then your ring finger, you reach it over a little bit, it goes on the 3rd string, 4th fret. So this is E minor. That's how it looks. This is how it sounds. And now we're going to build that into the verse, starting in G. I heard there was a secret chord, E minor, and back to G. That David played 'cause it pleased the Lord. Now we're going to move to C. But you don't really care, G, for music, do ya? G and D. It goes like this, the 4th, the 5th, E minor, the minor fall, the major lift, D. A baffled king composing, and we're going to E minor. Hallelujah. Now we're going to move on to the chorus. Just hold that E minor, and when we're ready, we're going to sing Hallelujah. G and D, ooh, yeah. And we'll just repeat the intro. E minor, and back to G. If you're ready now, let's play it together. Hallelujah. I heard that it was a secret chord David played 'cause it pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this, the 4th, the 5th, the minor fall, the major lifts, a baffled king composing, hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throat, she cut your hair, from your lips she drew a hallelujah. I tried my best, but it wasn't much. I couldn't feel, so I learned to touch. I told the truth, I didn't come to fool ya. And even though it all went wrong, I'll stand before the Lord of Song with nothing on my lips but hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please send them along, and remember to press the red button down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.